Hey, what's up YouTube? Mr. App for that coming at you with another hot video. Welcome to 2018. I'm back guys. In this video, I have some new updates for you. I'm going to be now accepting Android apps as well as Apple Watch apps as well. So we're going to be expanding in 2018 guys. It's great to be back. And without further ado, let's get into the next new video. In this video, I'm showing you an app that you can download on the phone. This app is called Appmia.com. That's the website. Basically, you can use this app to spy on any phone that you have access to and can download the app into it. So a lot of parents may want to monitor their children's activity on the phones. And sometimes, husband and wife may want to, see what your spouse has going on as well. So this is an app that will allow you to see virtually everything that comes in to the phone. Let me show you how it works. It's a three-step process to do it. First, you have to buy the Appmia app. Secondly, once you acquire the app, you download it, onto the device that you want to spy on. And lastly, you will view the data online. So let's take a look at everything that's going on here. And also this works with iOS and Android as well. So let's take a look at the features and see what's going on right here. All right. Let's click on that. So features, you can view and you can listen to calls and surroundings as well. With Appmia, you can record all the phone calls or surroundings easily and undetectably. So they don't even have to be on a phone call, and you can just pretty much open up the microphone to listen to what's going on there. WhatsApp, Viber, Facebook messages, text messages, none of that is safe, guys. None of that is safe. So you will be able to see everything. GPS tracking, so you will know who they're talking to. You also know where they're going as well. How many times has someone told you that, oh, I'm running late from work or whatever. Now you know exactly what's going on. Email, web browsing, traffic, music, and video files. All right, you can control the phone if you want as well. Block websites, applications, and certain calls. You can incoming calls blocking as well. So if you have a kid that's maybe watching certain sites, you can have more control over that as well. All right, so extra features. You see this as well. Key loggers. You see keystrokes and all that. Calls and tracking, contacts. So basically, guys, you're going to be able to see everything that's going on with the device. All right, and again, compatibility. As I said earlier, it doesn't matter if you have an Apple or Android device. All right, so that's how you set it up and everything. And let's look at the live demo. All right, so here's a demo here. Once you acquire your Appmia, you will. This is basically your dashboard here. So let's say that if you want to, look at the calls record, you click on that, and now here are calls, outgoing calls. All right, you want to listen in and take a look. They have a demo here.
So he called me this afternoon, and I just felt like, oh, I haven't seen him in a long time, and you sort of have to, keep him happy.
So right there, as you can see, you can listen to phone calls as well. You have WhatsApp messages. Look at that, WhatsApp, email, everything, guys. Events. People log their whole calendar in their phones now, especially when you set it up with Google Calendar. Basically, your whole appointment schedule is in your phone now. And as you can see, they also have Skype and Snapchat coming soon as well. Photos. Let's click on photos and see what happens. So you can view photos as well, and you have the option to download the photo to your computer to have it as proof. You can look at music, listen to what music are they listening to. So as you can see, guys, this is an app that it could be or is a game changer. It basically turns you into a private detective, really, and more than that, really. So I know a lot of people will be able to sleep, peace of mind, knowing that either their spouse or loved one is, being faithful, or, who knows what kind of information you may run across. So anyway, that's it for now, guys. Just wanted to show you this app. I do have more reviews coming soon of other apps, so stay tuned. If this is your first time watching this video or finding my channel, be sure to subscribe and find other videos as well. This is the pricing for it as well. So as you can see, you can see what you want to do and what you want access to, and go from there. But all right, guys, that's it for now. Mr. Appfordhat checking in with another hot video. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.